Hello, I'm John Klesnick, and this is DreamWash, another innovation brought to you by BonnetPro. Back in 22, I wanted to bring something else to the industry that would help my customers and the customers I was yet to meet. And that was something that no one had really addressed before in our industry, which was mattress cleaning. So what I've done over the last few years is develop a package. And I'm going to walk you through different aspects of that package in just a minute. And we've prepared everything for you, the formulas, the handouts, the cost worksheets, training at home. I've done everything for you over these last couple of years of working on this project so BonnetPro can bring to you a new income stream. This is something that every home has, that every hospitality industry business has, whether it's a cruise ship or a hotel or a college dorm or a motel. A lot of you guys are already cleaning their carpets, their tile, their bathroom floors. Why not do their mattresses also? So with the DreamWash Mattress Cleaning System, we're going to help you make more money and please your customers more as well. So what the DreamWash Mattress Cleaning System is going to give you guys is the ability to go in with confidence, with knowledge, and with the right tools and cleaning solutions that are going to give you the best possible results. This is going to elevate your image in your community because you're going to be the go-to guy for mattress cleaning. This is an untapped resource with hundreds of millions of mattresses in our country. One report I read said 50,000 get thrown out every day. We should be cleaning those. No one has aggressively went after the mattress cleaning industry. We have Stanley Steamer for carpets, we have ServPro for restoration, well now we have DreamWash for mattresses. So let me go through some of the things that this package, this system is going to give you outside of BonnetPro support and customer service. So one of the things we've done is we've done all the creation of the brochures, the business cards, the work authorization, the cost worksheets, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. So I've painstakingly over a period of months went through this to make sure the message, the imagery, the readability is where you need it to be. And what I've done is I've made the DreamWash portal. So once you have access, when you become a DreamWash representative service provider, you're going to have access to that portal. And what you can do with that, if you want to come in here, is this is the DreamWash work authorization. So this has good communication of what they can expect from you. You're going to be able to put your contact information on here. And in the DreamWash portal, what you do is you go through it, you select this document, you type in your contact information, and you select the quantity that you want, and it ships it right to your door. I have that also for cost worksheets. I have them with and without pricing. And again, your contact information goes on here. It's a heavy paper, it's got full color on it, and it breaks it down into the different services you're going to provide, whether it's a cabin on a ship, whether it's a room in a hotel, whether it's a bedroom in a house, what size the mattress is. And so I've set that all up so you can hand them the sheet. They know exactly what they're paying, and it makes you look very professional. So inside your clipboard, you're going to have a variety of different brochures that you can choose from. And what we're going to do, and they're all customizable in the portal as well. And what we're going to do is when you sign up, we're going to send you a package. We're going to have the table tents you can leave beside a table in a hotel, telling them that their mattress was just professionally cleaned and that they value their guests. You're going to have small brochures. You're going to have the different work authorizations. You're going to have a quick read brochure that for two-sided for people that just want a quick read. We're going to have more involved 4-page brochures and a variety of different things that we're just going to send to you. Along with that in the package, you're going to get a few hours of training videos that we're going to send to you that you can download to your computer and watch at home. That way there's no downtime with work, there's no shutting down your business, there's no travel expense, there's no hassle. You can do this at your convenience. And what I've done is I've taken 4 different videos, how to pick the right tool, general dust removal and mattress cleaning and customer relations, heavy cleaning for blood and urine with a death scene mattress we picked up that we restored, and then there's some other tips and drying tips in another video. and the different types of equipment and things that you're going to need. So I've addressed everything. I funneled it down into just the important stuff. So there's no fluff in there. We're going to get right to it. We're going to teach you the things that you need. And I've also set up a package for your web page. So whether you or your web person can easily set up, pick from the files that we're going to send you for the look, for the text, for some of the videos that we're going to provide. And let me show you a couple of those now. Because one thing that's important with this is image. You're going into somebody's intimate area in their house. You're cleaning their bed, and the way you present yourself and the way they perceive you is very important. So obviously, we're going to give you the chemistries and the training to do a great job with cleaning their mattress. But the overall package is important too. So in this web package, this is some of the stuff that we used on our page, and you'll have access to a lot of these images and different things. That's that Death Scene mattress we restored. That was organic cotton. Turned out incredibly well. But let me show you a couple of videos that you'll have access to. These are short clips that you can put on your web page or that you can use for your social media, and it'll have a message: call your approved DreamWash provider. That's one of the ones you can choose. This is one of my favorites. I have this in two versions with two different soundtracks, and the one version is 60 seconds long, so it tells a little bit of a story of what you're going to provide, and you're going to grab their attention with it. And then when they go to their website, to your website, they're going to see the imagery, they're going to see the message, and see the importance of why they need you to DreamWash their mattress. Let's show you a couple others here. So there's a bunch of different tones. You get a dozen of these included in the package. Let's show you my personal favorite. If you want to really grab attention on social media. So all of these things have been done for you, and so you really don't have to do anything. Once you buy the package, I'm going to send you out a file, a master file, and in that file you are going to have access to the brochure and print package. You're going to have access to the web page and contents package, which has all your text, videos like that, all of the high-end images. I'll show you one of the images that are in that file. This is called, if you don't know, a hero image, and you get beautiful pictures to help your website look fantastic. So it helps to be your salesman. When you navigate the site, everything will come back to these boxes where you can go through what you need to select or would like to view. And this is part of the training video for restoring that crime scene mattress, because if you can clean that, you'll be able to clean anything. So along with that, in the DreamWash Mattress Cleaning System, you're going to get all the handouts, brochures, business cards, table tents, everything that you need that you can customize with your contact information in the portal. There are promotional items that you can leave behind to leave your name and your impression with them outside of just the brochures. With the products, and I'll go over that in a second, the brochures are full color, very beautiful. They have your contact information on them that you can apply in the portal. We have embroidered shirts that you can order in the portal. I'm going to send you one with the package. As far as the chemistries go, If you look at the Dream Rinse as an example, the Dream Rinse is a Nanomax based product. It's odorless, it's organic, it's anti-allergen, it's a 0 health rating. It's going to be the cleanest thing you can rinse their mattress with. The Oxy Crush, as an example, is 19% peroxide. That will help remove organic stains. So if a child has peed in the mattress, you're going to get that out with that product. So there's a variety of different products there to help you succeed in the mattress cleaning. If you know BonnetPro, you know we only manufacture and develop premium products. And because if the product doesn't work, everything else in the system fails, and these products work. We're also going to send you the CFR mattress cleaning tool, and this comes just as you see it here. It's stainless. It's, if you're running a truck mount, it's got airflow relief that you can adjust. It's got a swivel head. It's got a 13-foot hide hose, and it even comes with a male nipple on the end that you can plug it directly into your solution line or directly into your portable machine. We're also going to give you the mattress claw, which if you have higher concentrations of liquid because there was urine or blood and you need to put more pre-spray or spotter on that, you can use this to really pull this out, the moisture out of the mattress, and even pull out the pre-spray prior to doing the cleaning step. So we're going to give you everything in this package, and you'll be able to start with just your extractor and your vacuum, and we're going to have equipment available later on. But right now, with your extractor and your vacuum, we're going to give you everything else to get started. So when you're ready to dream wash, get a hold of BonnetPro. Either call me at 877-477-1615. My cell is 215-872-7138, or my email is info@bonnetpro.com. If you have any questions that weren't addressed on the webpage, on the videos, feel free to call me. That's what we're here for. We're here to serve. We're here to take care of you and teach you how to take care of your customers. This is a very lucrative part of our industry that hasn't been tapped. It's ground floor. It's a great opportunity for any of you guys that want to get involved with it, and we're going to help you make money and helps add more stability to your company, because the more services that you offer, the more roots feeding the tree, the healthier it is. And that's what I always did when I was cleaning, and we want to help you do that too. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching about DreamWash, and we look forward to talking to you soon.